Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and then letting me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber, because I love to formally welcome each and every one of you, because it means more than you would know when you subscribe, because that means you are interested in seeing what else I put out as far as videos. So that would mean so much to me. Also, if you are new here, I am Megan from Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am absolutely obsessed with the happy planner, and I have been for the past 5 years. I absolutely am obsessed with it. So I love to create videos and show you guys how I use the happy planner in my everyday life. So this particular video, I am decorating my mini happy planner. This is a vertical mini. So I am going to be decorating it for the third time. I have not been sharing. This is actually going to be the first time I share a mini plan with me, because the first 2 weeks I was trying to kind of like get my grasp on exactly what I want to use my mini for. And I think I'm ready to make a video. So bear with me. I feel a tiny bit of pressure when the camera's on, when I am showing a brand new layout, but I'm gonna just try to go with the flow. So I, as you can see, am using it's called Magic Plans. This is Mickey and Minnie, and it's really cute. I had not gotten it until this past weekend, and I think it's really fun. There's lots of obviously blue, yellow, and red kind of colors, but then there are like these sections that are only blue, and then there's this section that's only pink, which I think is really cute. But I'm going to be focusing on the reds and yellows, and then obviously black. So I got out these 3 polka dot washies that I thought would help jazz it up. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with washi tape. Let me do red. The bottom area I've been using as an area to do I don't want to call it meal planning, but just kind of like tracking what I eat, because I have also been needing to, like, I have a few different doctors that I have to report back to on how I've been doing in a few different areas. So it's a good place to, I don't know, just try and pinpoint exactly where some issues are happening, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so that is the bottom. I also have been using these. So let me start. This is a little bit time consuming, so I'll pop on some music. Okay, then the bottom is where I write my sleep. So I write what time I wake up and what time I go to sleep. Okay, so there is that. Okay. Now, as far as everything else, it's just a regular, planner. So I can decorate it however I see fit. I have my sister and her fiance coming over this weekend. So let's find maybe like a longer box. Let's see if because the mini is still new to me, I'm still kind of struggling with, or I wouldn't even really call it struggling. I just, you know, I'm trying to learn and figure out how to decorate it, you know? It's just an entirely different planner. But I really like it. Like, it's so small, so cute. I am having, however, a hard time with using a different size book. Like, up until now, I've really only been using stickers for the mini size. So I want to figure out how to use other sizes better. These are so cute. I could do just like that for when she's here. So there we go. Doesn't really give much space to write though, so I might end up moving that. I'm just not sure. Okay, I can do something cute. This is a good size. All I See Is Magic is really cute. Let's see. I could do, let's see, this one. I think that's good. Let's do the black washi up at the top. What about if I rip it? Let me see. It's good for that side. All right, honestly, I don't know if I like that, but sometimes if I leave it there for a little bit, you know, my mind changes. So I'm gonna try to look at it for a few days. If not, then I definitely have super skinny black washi that I could definitely use, but I kind of like it. I don't know. The only thing that's kind of throwing me off is the sidebar. Don't know. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. I'm gonna do that. That's really fun. And then maybe this one. Okay. So because it's a mini, it's like, you know, super quick. So let me put it in the discs. I am really loving how small it is. Aw, look. I like it. All right, so that is it. My first plan with me in my mini vertical. And I'll show you guys my first 2 weeks of using it. So this was the first week. And then this was the second week. So I didn't use it last week, like in the last half of the week very much. But I really have been enjoying it a lot. I really like what it looks like when it's all filled in. It's just so small and cute. So anyways, that is it. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have a mini vertical and any, you know, comments that you have about it. If you really like it, if you use it as you're on the go, maybe let me know. And I will talk to you guys soon. So please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.